the creative cocktail. This one.
Is it?
Oh, I'm gonna get into a little bit details. I'm gin. Okay.
I think it is.
So there's no one decided small amounts. That's why it's smaller, right? And one side is talking about angle. Let's talk about angle. Some of you feel more comfortable. Zero, right? Or AK-47, right? Form. This is a fantastically look.
Yes.
4, 5. The reason we chill the drink down is so that at the beginning, little pieces of ice in your tin before you add ice, before you shake. That's lemon. There's only one liqueur. That's a banana. Yeah. And then the taste again is gonna be all tasting.
A little bit. Seriously? Yeah.
Alright, let's see how we go.
Spoon. Like, oh, people think it's fire. Smaller than this. This also, it won't last too long.
Here we go, what's up? Hey.
It's been great. I have such a good time. I hope you did too. Such a great crowd.
Can you get everybody?
Yes.
Okay.